11 years ago, I was just a regular girl with a world map on my wall, working 10 to 12-hour shifts as a sales associate in an electronics store. Back then, I dreamt of breaking free from the daily grind, traveling the world and never worrying about savings. Today, I'm 29 years old and making 150k plus per month, thanks to a strategy that runs like clockwork, flawless, simple, and without unnecessary complications. And now, I want to show you how you can walk this same path. And trust me, you don't need to be a genius to start seeing results. All it takes is the willingness to take action and a simple proven system that I've refined over the years. It's perfect for beginners who are just starting their journey in trading. In this video, I'll show you how simple it is to get started with any amount, whether it's 1, 10, or 100, and within just a few months, work your way up to 8k to 10k per month. I'm sure you want me to show you exactly how I do this in real time with real examples right in front of your eyes. So in this video, I'll demonstrate my strategy live, making 2k, 3k, or even 4k, applying the exact method that works for me. Sounds good? This is definitely something you'll want to see and then just copy everything I do. My name is Evelyn Morgan, and over my 10-year career in trading, I've learned that achieving stable results doesn't require high risks or complicated moves. It just takes a solid, proven strategy. I trained at Goldman Sachs, where I studied the strategies of the world's largest investment banks, and I learned from legendary traders like Peter Brand and Ray Dalio. I'm also ranked among the top 100 traders in the world by TradingView and frequently share my expertise in interviews with CNN and Yahoo Finance. Trading turned my life around. I went from being an electronics store sales associate to a professional trader, consistently making 150k plus per month. And today, I'm ready to share the exact knowledge and tools that helped me reach this level. Are you ready to see how this is possible? Then watch until the end. Let's get started. Before we continue, I have some exciting news for you. I want you to become a part of my exclusive Telegram community, where over 40,000 people are already getting rewards just by following my trades in real time. And now you can be one of them. What's waiting for you inside the community? Daily live trading sessions where I show you exactly when and how to enter trades. Just follow my moves and see the results. Clear trade breakdowns designed for those who don't want to deal with complicated charts. Proven strategies that I personally use, strategies that have been tested and work in real market conditions. And the most important thing is that right now you can join absolutely free. But opportunities like this don't come often. To join my exclusive trading community on Telegram, click the first link in the description and pinned comment. Take action now. Alright, let's get started. Today I'm kicking off with just 12. We'll also be using the alligator indicator today, my personal predator that senses where the market is heading. If its jaws open upward, we expect growth. If they open downward, it's time for a decline. Adding this pair, this one, and this one. Today, I'll show you how even a small amount can be used to build a solid strategy. It's as simple as this. We catch where the indicator is pointing, wait for the perfect moment, and enter the trade. No chaos, no guessing, just precise decisions. Ready? Let's go. Alright, first pair of the day. I see an uptrend. The indicator lines are confidently pointing upwards, almost as if they're saying, hey, everything's going according to the plan. The downward correction has ended. It's time to resume upward movement. Let's go up. The first trade, just like the first pancake, but luckily no lumps. See? Nothing complicated. A little patience, a bit of attention, and it all works out. Next up is the Australian and the Swiss. We are now at 23. Looking at the chart, and we have a completely different picture here. The trend has shifted, kind of like your mood on a Monday, and is now heading downward. The indicator lines have turned and are pointing straight down. There was an attempt to break upward, but a red candle quickly put things in order. Let's go down before the market changes its mind. It worked out just as expected. We're now at 44. Slowly but surely, let's keep building the pace. Moving on to these guys. Don't forget to update the value. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, this is what I like. The trend reversed upward, but the price decided to mess around and dropped for a correction. But our indicator, like an experienced captain, is already turning the wheel upward. This is the perfect moment to go up. Honestly, it's simple. We wait for the market to wink at us with the right signal and don't rush in. The key is to avoid random moves. This isn't a lottery. Let's keep going. Let's go back to our first pair. This one will be at 84 now. And here we go! A full-fledged reversal has happened. The indicator lines have turned downward. The downward movement is picking up speed. No time to waste, we're going down. Amazing! Guys, remember, it's crucial to act immediately when the right opportunity appears. So, pay close attention. Alright, moving forward. How many times have you tried to figure things out on your own, only to end up without a clear plan? That's completely normal. It's hard to find the right path alone. That's exactly why 3 years ago I created a private community to help beginners avoid costly mistakes and progress with confidence. Inside my exclusive community, you won't find random, impractical advice. You'll get a ready-to-use system. We study strategies, apply them in real trades, and discuss key moments every single day to maximize trading efficiency. Over 40,000 people are already inside using these insights to enhance their trading skills. But there's one catch. I personally mentor beginners, which means free spots are limited. If you want to join, pause this video right now and click the link in the description. This opportunity might not be available tomorrow. Let's keep going. Focusing on the chart, we see a classic situation. The price shot up sharply but then stopped, like it had second thoughts. And then bam, it came right back down. This means buyers didn't have enough strength and now the market, like a popped balloon, is deflating downward. The indicator lines are also hinting at a reversal and we know how to read the hints. So we're going down. Alright, we've officially made it halfway through today's session, and now we are at 309. Starting to see the pattern? The key is to pay attention to the details. The market whispers all the time. You just have to listen. Let's keep going. So it's the Australian and the Swiss turn again. What do we see? The trend is down, the market is quiet like it's waiting for a storm, and the indicator lines are tangled up, kind of like old earphone wires. But then a strong red candle appears, swallowing the previous ones like a hungry college student devouring a pizza. That's our cue. We're confidently going down. What an awesome strategy! It never lets us down. We are now at 593. Things are looking up, or in this case, down. I want to return to these guys, but with a different value here. I love classic setups. Downtrend, correction upward, and at the very peak of this movement, we're going down. We only trade by the rules. No unnecessary risks. Feels like I'm on fire today. We're at 1,138. I don't want to slow down, but we shouldn't overdo it either. So let's wrap it up with a couple more trades. Back to this pair again, but with a different value. Trend is up, indicator lines are smiling at us, signaling come on in. The correction reached the indicator and bounced off. This is like hitting a ball. It's only going up from here. And now we are at 2,184. Hope you remember where we started. The key to this is not guessing, but waiting. The market is like a movie. First, the hints, then the climax. Just don't blink. Returning to this pair again. This will now be at 2,184. Alright, let's give it a shot. We see that the market is trying to flip upward, but it's not quite happening. The indicator isn't in a rush to turn around either. That means it's just a temporary hiccup. The downward move will continue, going down. Who would have thought that 12 could turn into this? All right, time for our final trade. I'd like to finish with the Canadian and the Japanese. We are now at 4,193. Now, this is interesting. It's like the final match of a championship. Buyers are trying, but they just can't push through. The indicator is already tilting downward like the setting sun. Perfect timing, let's go down! $8,050. Impressed? I'm not, because for me this is normal. The key is to stay focused, wait for the right moment, and never rush. That's how you get results. Well, once again, the strategy delivered incredible results, which means we're on the right path. But the real question is, do you want to walk this path alone or with a mentor who already knows how to achieve success? Inside my trading community, you won't find scattered, confusing tips. You'll get access to a step-by-step system designed to help you avoid common mistakes and reach your goals faster. I share my personal experience, analyze real trades in real time, and provide direct answers to members' questions. But most importantly, you won't be alone. You'll have support access to the greatest trading methods and a thriving community where everyone is working towards the same goal: confidence in their decisions, financial freedom, and total independence. To join my exclusive trading community on Telegram, click the first link in the description and pinned comment. Access is still free, but there is no guarantee it will stay that way for long. Start now!